friends, it's Tash. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some kind of creepy, kind of cute anatomical body parts. Let me rephrase that. A fake heart and some fake eyeballs. So you may notice this is a little bit more vloggy style, which I do enjoy doing from time to time. That's because I'm actually doing a photo shoot tomorrow. It's currently January at the moment, but I probably won't be releasing this video until closer to Halloween because it's a little bit macabre. This makeup look is a test for tomorrow and it's heavily inspired by the early 2000s Britney Spears in her music video, Oops, I Did It Again. She's incredible. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little DIY. Let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Make sure you go check out my Instagram if you want to see more stuff. I'm way more active over on my Instagram and I'm trying to post more mini DIY tutorials there because I'm really busy with uni at the moment, so I don't have the time to be making as many full videos on this channel, which makes me very sad. But my degree comes first, so that's why I have been a little bit absent. With that being said, I'm gonna get going because I actually have to go to class. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll see you next time.